let's have a look at the 𝗕𝗘𝗡𝗘𝗙𝗧𝗦 Precision Coffee Scale. I'm gonna go over the scale, all the different features of it, talk about my experiences with it, and talk about who this coffee scale is for. Okay, so let's just have a look at the coffee scale itself. It's on the smaller side, has a really sleek look to it. We have this little pad on top that you can remove that is washable, just in case you spill any coffee on here. Then of course we have the digital display with 4 buttons, and we'll go over a demo of using this so you can see exactly how to use it. We have a look on the back. You can see we can also hang this, which is nice. So this scale does go down to 0.1 grams, and you can add up to 2 kilograms on this scale. And it has a weight limit of 3 kilograms. So what I like most about this scale is you can switch between 6 different measurements, and there's also a timer that counts up and down. So the combination of those two make this really good, and just how accurate it is. I found the scale to be very accurate, and it's very sensitive. And overall, it just looks great. And I have a little cabinet behind me where I have all my coffee stuff, and this just looks great in this cabinet as well. So you can see how it looks like in the cabinet. Looks really nice, fits perfectly, and just looks modern. So let's have a look at this thing in action. Okay, so here's the scale. So we have our coffee, we have our little cup to put the beans in. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Press the power button. And we can see we have the measurement as well as the timer. So cycling through the measurements, all you need to do is just press mode. Just like that, and you can cycle through the 6 different measurements. So we'll just keep it on grams for this, and we'll go ahead and add the little metal cup and then tear it out. That way we've measured just the beans. And we'll go ahead and take our beans and put them on in the cup. Okay, and then we'll add 25 grams of the beans. Okay, 25.1 grams, that's good. So we can cycle through the different measurements when we have the beans in there as well, if we want to get a different measurement. And of course, we can click the tare, and then I'll go back to 0. And we could do this if we're doing a pour over. Okay, next, let's talk about the timer, which is nice. Again, you can have this timer go up or down. To do that, all we need to do is press the play button, as this is on set to up right now. So it'll just keep going, as you can see. And start and stop it just by pressing the play and pause button. And if we want to change it to down, all we need to do is hold the mode button, and we can see that it's blinking, and we have our up and down arrows here, where we can go down or up. So if we go down, we can see it reads out a time for us. So to adjust the time, go ahead and press the mode button. So to adjust the time, we'll go ahead and press the play button, and now we'll see that the minutes is blinking, and we can adjust this up and down as we like, and press play again. And then the seconds will be blinking. We can go ahead and go up and down as we like as well. And decided to just press the play button. And you can go ahead and start again just by pressing the play button, and I'll count down. So you can see this is really easy to use. Also, the readouts of having the orange color and the brighter white color is really nice, the way it separates them, so it's easy to see what you're doing, easy to measure out beans, easy to set the timer if you're doing pour overs, espresso. It's very precise scale, and looks good. So who is this coffee scale for? Really, anyone who takes their coffee a little more seriously and needs precise measurements of their coffee and just wants a good looking scale for their coffee. Also, anyone who does pour overs, espresso, having that timer is really valuable. That way you don't have to mess around with your Apple Watch or Alexa or anything like that. It just makes it really easy to set up a timer. So check out the 𝗕𝗘𝗡𝗘𝗙𝗧𝗦 Precision Coffee Scale.